guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. I am filming this video from our loft upstairs in the house where I keep all of my inventory. I've been talking about this on Instagram the last few weeks about how I have all these piles of inventory up in my loft. So I figured I would actually film up here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I have totes full of items here, the railing over here. There's tons of stuff just laying out. Some of it is organized a little bit. The rest of it, like in these totes, I just dumped it all in there. I wanted to show you guys how I actually implement these inventory boxes that I've made on my shelves with all the items inside. This one right here is 8 inches wide by 8 inches high and then 20 inches long. This particular size box I use for jeans. I put 10 pair in here. They fit perfectly, and these fit nicely on the wire racks that I have behind me. I do have a longer box. It is 8 inches wide, 8 inches high, but it is 30 inches long, and I use those to hold pants and shirts. I can do 20 pairs of pants in there. I also do 20 shirts in here as well. The only supplies that you'll need to make these boxes are boxes, of course. You will need a hot glue gun for the method that I'm going to show you guys. Also some glue sticks. I like the Gorilla Glue sticks because the bond is much better than the regular ones from the craft store. Also some cheap tape that you can wrap around the box when you're finished, and then some labels. I printed up some little stickers here with my inventory numbers on there that I can just slap right on the front of the box when I'm done. Here's a box that is full of jeans. This is missing a couple items in it. They're all in order. This one in the front here is I-411, 412 is behind it, and this goes all the way up to 450 in the box. These all stay in order. Whenever I put my items away, I do put them in here in order so that when I need to pull inventory, I can just go exactly to the section that I need and pull the item out. The boxes do come flat, so you will have to assemble them yourself. I used to just wrap them up in a bunch of tape, but I have found a better method. Using a hot glue gun, you can actually glue down the flaps and then just use a little bit of tape as reinforcement around the outside. Let's glue some boxes. You'll need to just start by bending them down all the way around. Okay, so you need to glue down the flaps all the way around on the outside. So I've got some of them already done here. I'm going to show you guys though, just as an example. It works best if you do glue around the outer edge. And then I like to do some in the middle. Then just hold it down. On the longer flap, I do like to kneel on it. And there you go. So all the sides are glued down, and then we just have to do the bottom portion like this. So we're going to put glue on the inner flaps. I'm using Gorilla Glue sticks because they work a lot better than just the regular ones from the craft store. This is what they look like. Okay, the inner flaps are glued down as well. Now you could use this just the way it is, but I like to do a little bit of tape just around this edge here and then down this bottom seam. This is some really cheap tape I got on eBay. I don't know what the brand is. It's not very good. You can use whatever. For me, this stuff is too junky to use on outgoing shipments, so I figured it'd be best to use on these boxes. If you don't like this plain ugly cardboard box, or if it's going to be in a common area of your house, you could get some decorative printed colored contact paper to wrap them in, or at least to put on the front, since this is the exposed area that you'll see when they're on the shelves. This is our 201 through 220. This will go on one of my larger 30-inch boxes here, since this one can hold 20 items. All right, and there we go. And then these will just go right on the shelves so I'll know which box holds which items. Okay, now that the fun part is over, I actually need to shelve all of this inventory behind me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. These wire racks are 48 inches wide by 18 inches deep and 84 inches high. There's 6 shelves on each one, and as you can see, 5 of my boxes fit perfectly on each shelf. If you are putting 20 items in one box, that means one rack can hold 600 items. If you're doing the smaller boxes with 10 pair of jeans, each rack could hold 300 items. The shelves are completely adjustable, and you can add or remove shelves as needed to create additional space.